A chaotic courtroom showdown in Tennessee just ended with $1 million bond and an arrest in the gallery. Live streamer Dalton Etherly, known online as Chud the Builder, is officially facing attempted murder charges for a courthouse shooting, and the drama just spilled over into the courtroom as prominent activist Jake Lang was let out in handcuffs. The temperature inside the Montgomery County Courthouse skyrocketed during Etherly's bond hearing. The 28-year-old live streamer stands accused of shooting and severely wounding a black man, Joshua Fox, right outside the very same courthouse on May 13th. The state argued that the shooting followed a tense verbal altercation. While Etherly claims he acted in self-defense and recorded an audio stream immediately following the gunfire to back his claim, prosecutors pushed for a severe financial penalty to keep him behind bars. Ultimately, the judge agreed, setting a massive $1 million bond.
However, anybody on that side of the bar does not have a speaking role in any of these proceedings today. There's not going to be any hoopla or shenanigans from the gallery. You're going to be removed, and I'll talk about that in a second.
Can you read what these posts say?
The initial part says, "I will defend my life with lethal force. Do not approach me with intent to threaten bodily harm."
I think it's reasonable to have a gag order on the defendant should he make bond, and I guess even while he's in the jail and has his, I don't know, iPad or whatever, but he cannot live stream, post, or anything that indirectly or directly encompasses these offenses.
But the First Amendment is very important to a free country. Without us being able to talk about ideas freely, we can't really be a free society. Now, I mean, repugnant ideas are still protected under rights of free speech, so people are free to go say whatever offensive things they want to say as long as it's not calling for someone to hurt somebody else.
That's a $1 million bond with the following conditions: no weapons, GPS monitor. There will be a gag order for Mr. Etherly regarding social media and live streaming about the facts or the parties involved in this case.
But the real shockwave hit the gallery. Presiding Judge H. Reed Poland III had issued strict orders banning electronic devices and any form of disruption from attendees. The stakes? Several high-profile supporters packed the room, including conservative activist Jake Lang. When attendees began violating the courtroom decorum rules, the judge didn't hesitate. He ordered multiple people to be removed from the room, culminating in court officers placing Lang in handcuffs and escorting him out of the building. The sudden arrest turned an already volatile hearing into total chaos. This case has blown open a fierce national debate regarding online monetization and real-world violence. Profiting from conflict, Etherly belongs to a controversial community of live streamers who generate massive audiences and digital tips by filming provocative, racially charged interactions in public spaces. The funding influx. Proving the financial power of these networks, Etherly managed to raise over $100,000 for his legal defense in a single day via crowdfunding. The line between speech and safety. Civil rights advocates argue that platforms are allowing creators to profit from dangerous race-baiting antics, blurring the line between free speech and public endangerment until it inevitably turns lethal. Even Etherly's own defense attorney, Jacob Fendley, has publicly requested that people stop harassing his staff, openly admitting that while he is fulfilling his legal duty to defend his client, he finds Etherly's online content objectionable. With the $1 million bond secured, Etherly remains in custody as both legal teams prepare for a grueling trial. Meanwhile, the legal fallout for the disrupted hearing and Lang's arrest is expected to bring even more eyes to this small Tennessee city. Is this case a turning point for how the law handles online shock jocks, or is it a straightforward case of self-defense? Stay on top of this story. Click subscribe and turn on notifications to follow our complete courthouse shooting fallout series. We'll bring you the unedited updates as the trial approaches. Watch our next video to see the full breakdown of the crowdfunding networks driving these cases.